Assalamu alaikum. I am Jahangir Alam. Welcome to my channel Jahangir Science School. Today I am going to discuss SSC Physics Chapter 2 Motion. Some MCQ question, board exam MCQ with answer. What is the change in distance of an object called? So we know speed equal to rate of change of distance. So what is the change in distance of an object called? So speed. So rate. Remember, rate of change of distance is called speed. So speed equal to distance divided by time taken. So remember, distance, change in distance, that means distance divided by time taken. Unit of speed is meter per second, because speed is the ratio of distance and time, so meter per second. So correct answer is speed. So this one is the correct answer. So remember, what is the change? That means what is the rate of change of distance? So speed. The velocity of a car reduces from 30 meter per second with constant deceleration to 10 meter per second after 5 seconds. What is the acceleration of the car? So we know acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, T is the time. Here initial velocity is 30. So initial velocity is 30. That means U is 30 and final velocity is 10 and time is 5 seconds. So we can write initial velocity 30, final velocity 10. So 10 minus 30 divided by 5 seconds. So minus 20 divided by 5. So minus 4 meter per second square. Remember, unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So that's why correct answer is minus 4 meter per second. So correct answer is C. So C is the correct answer here. So minus 4 meter per second square. Now next one. So how many equations are there of speed? So we know speed equal to V equal to distance divided by time. And V equal to U plus AT. Another formula, V square equal to U square plus 2AS. So for speed calculation, there are three formula. So correct answer is three formula. So correct answer is B. So there are three equation. Number 1, number 2, number 3. We to find out the speed or final velocity, we use three formula. Now next one, question number 9. What will be the displacement if 1/4 distance is covered of a circle of radius 10 meter? What will be the displacement? So if radius r So r radius is r equal to 10 meter. 10 meter. So 1/4. If we divide the circle 1/4, this one is the 1/4. So 10 meter divided by 4. So 10 meter divided by 4. So correct answer is 2.5 meter. So correct answer is 2.5 meter. This is the correct answer. Which one of the following is used to measure the velocity? Velocity. Which one is used to measure the velocity? So unit of velocity is velocity, and alternative name is speed. So speedometer. So this one is the correct answer. Speedometer. Speedometer is the instrument by which we can measure the velocity. We can measure the velocity. By which we can measure the velocity. So number 11, question number 11. The velocity of a car increases at constant rate from 15 meter per second to 75 meter per second. 75 meter per second. In 10 seconds, what is the acceleration? We know acceleration A equal to final velocity V minus initial velocity U divided by time taken. So here final velocity becomes 75. Final velocity is 75 meter per second minus 15 meter per second divided by time is 10. So 550, then 60 is divided by 10. So 6 meter per second square. Remember the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So C is the correct answer. So C is the correct answer. This one, so 6 meter per second square is the answer, correct answer. Now, which one of the following the fundamental unit of acceleration? Fundamental unit of acceleration. So acceleration, remember acceleration, dimension of acceleration. Acceleration equal to change in velocity divided by change in velocity divided by time taken, divided by time. Again, velocity is not a fundamental quantity. Velocity we can convert. Velocity equals to displacement divided by time. So divided by another time. So displacement divided by time square. So displacement divided by time square. So displacement L and time square. So dimension of L per t square. So which one of the following is the fundamental unit of acceleration? So L per t square is the correct answer. L per t square. This one is the correct answer.